What you got on? What you got on your hands? And your shoes? I can't make him do it. Where are you going? What do you think of your mittens? No. No. No, no. No, no. Oh. Hey, can I see your mittens? Uh-oh, your hat fell off. Hey, Michaela. I like your mittens. You can wave really good in those. Put your hat back on. Hat back on. Hold on. Ah! Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Okay. You gotta let me fix it. Good enough. What do you think? You all ready for winter? You like those? Can you squeak your shoes? Are you gonna squeak your shoes again? Don't take them off, just squeak them. Squeak them. Gotta stomp with them. I can't do it unless you stomp. Struggling a little bit there, honey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Hey, Michaela. What are you doing? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. He squeaked. Did you hear it? He squeaked. Okay, bye-bye.